Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan Weimer here, CEO and co-founder of Morpheus.Network, here with another update for you guys. I've actually been told recently that I sound too excited in these video updates. Reason being is that I'm actually super excited about what we're up to. So what am I going to tell you about today? What's exciting me for the day, I guess you could say. Sweet Supply is getting so close to launch, so close to release. Sweet Supply being a culmination of all the different solutions that we've built over the years, over the past 6+ years. You guys have seen solutions like Speed.Supply, which is generating that QR code for geolocation scans. It's sort of like the launch pad for Sweet.Supply. Obviously, we built some amazing things for food certification, CFIA, Canadian Food Inspection Agency, regulations. We built an amazing solution for EUDR as well, EUDR.Supply. That's the European Union Deforestation Regulation. And what's awesome about all these different solutions, we have those cross-border compliance solutions as well, creating your BOLs and your Performa invoices. All those different solutions require the data of your users, whether it's different suppliers you're working with, different vendors and suppliers, or right down to the retail end if you're sending it off to consumers as well. You need all that data together. And if you're needing a traceability solution, something as simple as Speed.Supply, if you're adding in, let's say, IoT devices on top of that, we actually pull the data from all these different solutions. So your supply chain documentation actually is attached to the traceability information as well. Your different stakeholders down the supply chain, as they add more information, whether it's a QR code scan, submission of a compliance document, all that compiles to one digital footprint, and that's all through the middleware and all connected together through Sweet.Supply. So you're not logging into 10 different solutions in order to get your supply chain to work properly and efficiently. So super excited about that. Really coming together really well. The UI is just absolutely gorgeous. Excited to give you guys a great demo for that as well. One thing that is sort of overlaid over the entire Sweet.Supply solution stack is our Morpheus Autopilot. That's an AI-based supply chain orchestration, basically leveraging AI to make the right decisions for you. Things like processing purchase orders based on inventory levels, generating the right documentation based on what compliance is necessary. If it's cross-border, knowing what documents are needed, leveraging the right HS codes. If there's a disruption in your supply chain as well, if let's say there's something like a Suez Canal blockage or something geopolitical that's blocking your supply chain, there's these methods that AI uses as well, the AI orchestrated autopilot, in order to make sure your supply chain continues to run efficiently, using carbon emission tracking as a part of the whole thing, making sure you're emitting less carbon, being efficient. On top of it, avoiding these disruptions, making sure you have your inventory on the shelves to sell to your clients as well, not having those disruptions. We've seen before in black swan events like COVID, and as I mentioned, that Suez Canal blockage as well. If you didn't have an AI-based orchestrated supply chain, how would you avoid those disruptions? You'd run into issues, and most definitely, and potentially even lose your business altogether. So very excited about that. Absolutely amazing technology. What are some of the challenges we're facing with Sweet.Supply specifically? Getting it launched, a couple different reasons. Some being related to technology, just amazing new tech coming out. Whether it's leveraging AI, new partners that we have within IoT as well. Obviously integrating our validation system, Trust.Supply, that blockchain-based backend, which makes sure all the data in your supply chain run through Morpheus is valid. Thanks to Trust.Supply, making sure that's integrated to Sweet.Supply as well. All these solutions have to work together well. On top of it, we've taken on a whole bunch of different projects for different clients as well. That's obviously a good problem to have. But the problem with it, obviously, is that we have delayed the release of Sweet.Supply based on building other solutions for our clients. So excited to finally get that out. We'll be releasing the EUDR.Supply solution around the same time as well. One thing about all these different projects with Federated Co-op, the EUDR project as well, huge kudos goes out to Travis Arment, who's been our senior project manager for these different projects, working directly with the clients, working with our team as well, working with our devs. I'm going to give a huge shout out to the devs as well. Pradnesh, Swapnil, Bhavesh, and Simran on DevOps. You guys have been absolutely amazing, wearing different hats at different times based on what's required. Honestly, one morning it'll be an EUDR-based tweak that we have to make in that solution. The next time it's porting something over for FCL. Then it might be something for the Mongolian government, Certificate of Origins. You guys are just able to pivot on all these different projects, and really a huge kudos, huge thank you to you. It's been great working with you guys, of course. Having such amazing people you work with, and honestly every single person that's worked with us at Morpheus on this project have really been great people. And yeah, everybody else who's watching, hopefully you're as excited I am about the release of Sweet, and I do promise we're going to have an intensely epic demo of Suite.supply as well as the EUDR.supply solutions, show you how everything ties in together, show you how to have this AI orchestration overarching over the entire thing as well, and of course all backed by Trust.supply. So everyone who's watching, as always, thank you so much and have a great day.